loves, welcome to my channel. I know, long time no see, right? I was gone, I think, for like a week. Yeah, see, okay. I had a really bad day last week. I broke my nail, like, almost off the nail bed. That hurt really bad, and then I tripped over a shoe and skinned up my knee. I filmed my videos standing up in my bathroom, so that sucked. And then I've been having this reoccurring problem with my ear, and I've just been all fucked up, so I've tried to film, but the videos wouldn't come out right, but that's neither here nor there. At this point, today's video is a tutorial using the CoverGirl TruNaked Jewels eyeshadow palette. I picked it up from Walmart for $10, and it's absolutely stunning. I love this palette. The shadows are so pigmented and buttery smooth to the touch. They're really easy to blend in, and this is the look that I came up with. All right, loves, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and let's just get right into it. I'm taking this beautiful purple shade on the Ruby Kisses tapered eyeshadow brush, and I'm blending it in and above my crease. I primed my lid with the Ruby Kisses 24-hour eyeshadow primer. Now with my Aloe E124, I'm applying the sparkly black eyeshadow to the outer corner of my lid. I spritzed my brush with rose water to intensify the pigment of the blue eyeshadow, and the brush that I'm using is the Ruby Kisses small eyeshadow brush. I'm taking the ColorMates eyeshadow brush to highlight my brow bone with this shimmery iridescent white shade. For my winged liner and lashes, I use the E.L.F. liquid liner and the E.L.F. volumizing and defining mascara. Going back to the purple that I used in my crease, I'm blending it along my lower lash line using the Ruby Kisses C-Curve eyeshadow brush. I'm applying 2 coats of the Smoke and Mirrors Lengthening Mascara to my bottom lashes. I'm lining my waterline with the LaLa Fox Drawing Gel Liner in black. I'm using my E.L.F. small smudge brush to highlight the inner corner of my eye with that gold shade. For my blush, I'm using this really pretty berry toned shade by Amuse Cosmetics in Daredevil, and I'm applying it with my Modessa angled blush brush. Using my AOA F19, I am highlighting using the Milani Spotlight Palette in 03 Golden Light. I'm applying the LA Colors Matte Lipstick in the shade Entice. It is such a pretty purple color. To finish off the lips, I'm applying the AOA Studio Diamond Lip Gloss in Gypsy. It is a beautiful purple glitter iridescent lip gloss. To complete my makeup look, I'm setting my face using the Magic Collection Rose Water Hydrating Mist. I hope you loves enjoyed the tutorial. All of the products that I used will be listed down below in the description. Go ahead and drop a comment telling me what you thought. And until next time, bye love!